this lesson, I will solve the ministerial question of page number 122, lesson 3.2. Question number 1. Which one is correct number of horizontal tangent to the graph of the function f of x equal 3x minus 9 all power 2? To find the number of horizontal tangent line, we will find the values, the number of values of x, make the derivative 0. Find the derivative of this function first. F prime of x equal to 2 times 3x minus 9 times 3, the derivative of the term inside of the bracket, equal to 6, 3x minus 9 factorized by 3 equal to 18x minus 3. Therefore, x equal to 3 is the only value make the derivative 0. Therefore, the right choice is C. Question number 2. Find the point on the graph of f of x equals square root 2x plus 1 where the tangent is horizontal. To find the point where the tangent is horizontal, we find the point make the derivative 0. F prime of x equal to 2 over 2 square root 2x plus 1. Set it 0 and solve it for x. Cross multiplication, this gives you 2 equals 0. Contradiction, there is no value such that the function has horizontal tangent line. Question number 3. The graph of f of x has 1 horizontal tangent line, 2, 3, or no. To solve this equation, we find the derivative of this function. First, rewrite f of x equal to x power 6, open these two brackets, minus x power 3 plus x power 3 minus 1. X power 3 with x power 3, x power 6 minus 1. Find the derivative of this function, 6x power 5, set it 0, therefore x equals 0. It is only 1 point. Therefore, this function has 1 horizontal tangent line. Question number 4. Which of the following has only 1 horizontal tangent line? For the tan x, the derivative of tan x is 1 over cosine square x, set it 0. This gives you 1 equals 0, contradiction. Then there is no horizontal tangent line for this function. For the second function, the derivative is 3x power 2 minus 6, set it 0, factorized by 3, x power 2 minus 2 equals 0, x equals negative positive square root 2. There is 2 horizontal tangent line for this function. Also, this choice is wrong. For this function, negative x squared plus 5, find the derivative, negative 2x equals 0, x equals 0. This function has only 1 horizontal tangent line. Let us check the last one. The derivative 3x squared plus 6, factorized by 3, x power 2 plus 2, x power 2 plus 2 equals 0, x equal negative positive square root negative 2, not a real number. This function has no horizontal tangent line. The right choice is C. Question number 5. Which is true if f of x equal to x power 3 plus 3x power 2 minus 12x? F has 1, no horizontal tangent line. F has 1. F has 2 horizontal tangent line, or none. To answer this question, find the derivative of this function. F prime of x equals 6x power 2 plus 6x plus minus 12. Set it equals 0. Divide by 6. X power 2 plus x minus 12 equals 0. Then if we find b square minus 4ac equal to, if b square minus 4ac equals 0, then this function has one horizontal tangent line. If it is greater than 0, there is two horizontal tangent line. If it is less than 0, then there is no horizontal tangent line. Let us check. B square 1 minus 4a, coefficient of x square, times c, the constant number, 1 plus 4 times 12, 48, greater than 0, then this function has two horizontal tangent line because this function has two roots. Question number 6, which has only one horizontal tangent line? Which of the following function? Let us check one by one. For the first function, the derivative 3x power 2 plus 4x plus 1. B square minus 4ac equal to b square 16 minus 4 times 3 times 1. 16 minus 12 equal to 4 greater than 0. This function has two horizontal tangent line, so it is wrong choice. Let us check this function. 9x power 2 plus 6x plus 1. Then b square 36 minus 4 a 9 times c 1. 36 minus 36 equals 0. This function has only one horizontal tangent line. It is right choice. Let us check the third one. 3x power 2 plus 2x plus 1. B square 4 minus 4a times c. 4 minus 12 less than 0. This function has no horizontal tangent line, so the right choice is B. Which has two horizontal tangent line. The function here is the same in the previous question, so the first function has two horizontal tangent line. The right choice is A. Find the point on the graph of f of x where the tangent line is horizontal. To find the point, find the derivative of this function f prime of x. 6x minus 0, set it 0, find the value of x. The value of x is 0. Find y coordinate, negative 6. 0, negative 6 is the point, the needed point where the tangent line is horizontal. Question number 9. Find the point on the graph of f of x equal x power 4 plus 4x minus 1 where the tangent line is horizontal. It is the same in the of the previous question. Find the derivative of this function. 4x power 3 plus 4, set it equals 0. Factorize by 4, x power 4 plus x power 3 plus 1 equal 0. Divide by 4, x power 3 plus 1 equal 0. Analyze summation of 2 cube, x plus 1, x power 2 minus x plus 1 equal 0. Now the first bracket give me that x equal negative 1. From the second bracket, if we check b square minus 4ac for this quadratic function, Then negative 1 square, 1 minus 4 times A times C is give you negative value 1 minus 4, negative 3 less than 0. There is no roots for this quadratic function. The only root is x equal negative 1. If we want to find the y coordinate, negative 1 power 4, 1 minus 4 minus 1, negative 4. The point is negative 1, negative 4. Choice C. Find x coordinate for f of x equal negative x power 4 plus 4x power 3 plus 8x square where the tangent line is horizontal. Find the derivative of this function and set it 0 and solve it for x. Negative 4x power 3 plus 12x power 2 plus 16x. Set it equal 0. Divide by negative 4 x power 3 minus 3x plus minus 4 x equals 0. Factorize by x power 2 minus 3 x minus 4 equal 0. Then analyze by experiment for the bracket x negative 4 plus 1. Therefore, this function has 3 horizontal tangent line, x equals 0, x equal 4, and x equal negative 1. 0, 4, negative 1. All of them are points where the function has horizontal tangent line. Question number 11. If x between 0 and 2 pi, find the point where the tangent line to the graph of f of x equal x plus cosine x is horizontal. Find the derivative of this function. 1 minus sine x, set it 0. Then sine x equal 1. Sine x equal 1, it give you x equal pi over 2. Why? Because this is the graph of the sine. This is the value of 1. Only one value in between 0 and 2 pi. You have only one value. It is pi over 2. Therefore, there is one point where that graph has horizontal tangent line. To find the y coordinate, substitute pi over 2 in the function. Pi over 2 plus cosine pi over 2. Cosine pi over 2 is 0. So the result is pi over 2. The point is pi over 2, pi over 2. Choice B. Question number 13. Which is correct number of horizontal tangent line to the graph of function f of x equal x power 2 minus 5 times x power 2 plus 5. Rewrite this function as x power 4 plus 5x power 2, open this two bracket, minus 5x power 2 minus 25. Find the derivative now. F prime of x equal to 4x power 3. Set it equal 0 and find the value of x. The value of x is 0. The right choice is 1 because there is only one value make the derivative 0. Question number 14. Find the point on the graph of f of x where the tangent line is horizontal. F prime of x equal to, or rewrite this function as x to the negative 2. Now find the derivative. Negative 2x to the negative 3. Set it 0. Now negative 2 over x power 3 equals 0. negative 2 cross multiplication equals 0, contradiction, there is no point such that the function has horizontal tangent line because we get introduction. Question number 15, the same 14, find the point on the graph of the function f of x where the tangent line is horizontal. The derivative of this function is 2x minus 4. Set it equals 0, factorize by 2. The only one value is x equal 2. Find the y coordinate. 2 square 4 minus 4 times 2, 8 equal negative 4. Therefore, the point is 2, negative 4. Choice A. Question number 16. Which is correct number of horizontal tangent lines to the graph of the function f of x equal x power 2 minus 1 times x power 2 plus 1? Rewrite this function as x power 4 plus x power 2 minus x power 2 minus 1. Now find the derivative of this function. For x power 3, set it equals 0, then x equals 0. There is one point, make such that the tangent line to this graph is horizontal. Choice C. Question number 17, which has no horizontal tangent line of the following function. Let us check the derivative of this function one by one. For the first function, the derivative equal to 3 times 1 over 3, 1, x power 2 minus 6x. Set it equals 0, factorize by x minus 6 equals 0, x equal 6, and x equal 0. So this function has two horizontal tangent line. It is wrong choice. Let us check the second one. The derivative is 3x power 2 minus 6x minus 3. Set it equals 0. Divide by 3, x power 3 minus 2x minus 1 equals 0. Minus 4ac, then b square, negative 2 square, 4 minus 4 times a1 times c negative 1 equal to 4 plus 4, 8 greater than 0. This function has two horizontal tangent line, therefore it is wrong choice. For the third function, the derivative is 6 x power 2 minus 2x. Set it 0, factorize by 2x, 3x minus 1. X equals 0 and x equal to 1 over 3. Also, this function has two horizontal tangent line. Let us check the last one. The derivative is 6x power 2 plus 1. Set it equals 0. Then x power 2 equal to 6x power 2 equal negative 1. X power 2 equal to negative 1 over 6. And x equal to negative positive square root negative 1 over 6. Not a real number. There is no horizontal tangent for this line. The right choice is D. See you next lesson.